Hi guys, welcome back to today's tutorial. In today's video, I am going to teach you how to upload a premium theme to your WordPress dashboard. So let's say, for example, that you bought a theme from, let's say, from Code Canyon. You know, this is one of the best platforms you can buy WordPress themes and WordPress plugins from, okay? So let's say you bought a WordPress premium theme from any vendors, any online vendor. So let's use Code Canyon as an example now. So let me go to Code Canyon. So this is Code Canyon. Let me go to my downloads. So you can create an account here, which I will leave the link in the description below. So here, so let's say you have created an account with them, which is easy. So let me go to my downloads. So you go to your downloads. So these are most of the themes that I bought from this platform. So let's say you bought this theme. So you go ahead and click on download to download it to your computer. So once you click on download, you select all files and documentations. Then as you can see, it will be downloaded to your computer. So what you need to do now is to go to your downloads folder to extract the file because it is downloaded in a zip file. So I'll just go ahead and go straight to my download folders. So you can see the thing we downloaded from the website. So just go ahead and right click on it. Then come down and click on extract all. Then click on browse to choose the folder where you want to extract it to. So I want to extract it to my desktop. So I select desktop, click on select folder. So now click on extract. Then it will be extracted to your desktop. So now let's go back to our WordPress dashboard. So here on our WordPress dashboard, so once you log on to your WordPress dashboard, so navigate down to appearance and click on themes. So on this next page, you will see your default theme here. So all this, I'm just using this for tutorial. You're supposed to have only one default theme like this one I'm using now, Astra theme. So now what you're going to do is to come up here and click on add new. So once you click on here, you'll be brought to this place. So here you will see thousands of free themes you can use to create your website. So if there is anyone you have in mind, you can click on this input and search for a particular theme you have in mind. But that is not the topic of today's tutorial. The topic of today's tutorial is how to upload a premium themes to your WordPress. So that premium themes is the premium themes you bought from online vendor, like the one we downloaded from Code Canyon. So now from here, you just scroll up and click on upload theme. So now you can see what it says here. It says, if you have a theme in a zip format, you may install or update it by uploading it here, which is the one we just downloaded. So the one we extract is the one we will use to upload it through another format, which is through an FTP client. The one you downloaded on zip file is the one you will upload here. So sometimes it will not be easy to upload it through here. So, but let's go and do it first. So click on choose file, then go to your downloads folder. So you see the theme we downloaded from Code Canyon. So click on it and click on open. So it is now imported here. So you are going to click on install now to install it. So here you see what it says. It says the uploaded file exceeds the upload max file size directive in php.ini. But let me show you how to upload this file now to your WordPress dashboard. So we are here now on the theme section. You can see the themes we have here. So I'm going to upload that theme we downloaded from Code Canyon through an FTP protocol, through an FTP client, which is FileZilla. So now go to any browser of your choice and go to FileZilla/project.org. So once it opens, click on download FileZilla client. Make sure you did not click on download FileZilla server. No, we are going to make use of FileZilla client. So just click on FileZilla client, then click on download FileZilla client. Then follow the steps and download it to your system. So once it's done, you will see it here, FileZilla. So now you're going to log in to FileZilla so you can be able to access your server, okay? So how to log in here is first come here at the host and input the URL of your website. So in my case, for the sake of this tutorial, I am using my website, which is called www.savvyman.com. So this is how you're going to enter the URL of your own website here in the host input. Then come to the username. You fill in the username you use in logging into your direct admin or your cPanel, which is that username and password you got from your service providers. that you use in logging into your web hosting account, which is the back end of your server. So now you're going to fill it in here, then add your password. Then after that, click on Quick Connect. Then you'll be logged on to your server through this FTP protocol called FileZilla. So as you can see here by the right side, this is your server. At the left side here are the files on your computer. So on the right side, double click on domains. Then you will see the name of your website here. In my case, is sabiman.com. Double click on it. Then here, double click on public_HTML. Don't make a mistake. This one is private_HTML. No, don't click on it, but click on public_HTML. You have to double click on it. So now this is your server space, and these are the files you have on your server. In my case, I created my website with WordPress. So these are my WordPress files. So now you have to double click on this WP-content. Then you come on this themes folder. You can see it themes. Then double click on it. So now these are the themes you have on your WordPress dashboard. So the one we are using for our website is Astra. So but the basis of this tutorial today is to show you how to upload a premium theme to your WordPress dashboard, okay? Because most of the themes you bought online comes with large files. And in so many times, it will be hard, like I showed you before, for you to upload it to your WordPress dashboard through your WordPress dashboard, okay? But with FileZilla, it's easy. So now let's go and search for the theme where we save it on our computer. So in my case, I save it on my desktop. So I'm just going to go up here and select desktop. So this is the plugin here called Eduma. So all you need to do is to select it, then right click on it and click on upload. Then now you have to wait from few seconds to few minutes, depending on the speed of your server. Then the theme will be uploaded to your WordPress dashboard. So, okay, now it has finished uploading to your server. As you can see here on the status bar, you can see it says successful. So now if you look here on the right side, you can see the Eduma theme has been uploaded there. So now we are done with FileZilla. We are going to go back to our WordPress dashboard so we can activate the theme from there, okay? So now let's close this one down. So go back to your WordPress dashboard. Now refresh this page now. So as you can see, the Eduma plugin has been uploaded to my WordPress dashboard. So you can go ahead and click on activate to activate it. So click on install and activate. You'll be brought here on Eduma theme dashboard. So you can go ahead and start customizing it and setting it up as you can see here. You can skip this or click on next step to go ahead and customize your theme, okay? But that is not the basis of today's tutorial. The basis of today's tutorial is to teach you how to upload a premium theme to your WordPress dashboard, which we have done now through an FTP protocol called FileZilla, okay? So, and that brings us to the end of this video today. So if you enjoyed this video, please, I would like you to comment down, like and share this video. And if this is your first time of coming across my video or my channel, please do us a favor to subscribe to our channel and don't forget to hit on the bell icon so that anytime we upload video tutorial like this, then you'll be among the first to be notified, okay? So until then, thank you for watching and see you guys in the next videos.